Hello, and welcome to Soul Food Cooking. Today I'll be making beef tips and gravy. You will need 2 pounds of stewed beef, 4 cups of beef broth, 3 tablespoons of canola oil, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, 2 cups of mushrooms, 1/2 of an onion, 3 cloves of garlic, 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce, 1 bay leaf, 1 teaspoon of browning, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 4 tablespoons of water, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Using medium heat, bring your Dutch oven to temperature, then add your oil. Now brown your beef. Remove your beef from the pot, then set it aside until later. Add the onions and sauté for 4 minutes. Now add the garlic and continue to sauté for an additional 3 minutes. Now add the mushrooms and continue cooking for an additional 2 minutes. Return the beef to the pot, then season with your salt and pepper. Add the beef broth, soy sauce, Worcestershire sauce, and bay leaf, then allow the liquid to come to a boil. Reduce your heat to medium-low, cover, then allow your beef to cook for 1 hour and 40 minutes. After 1 hour and 40 minutes, mix together the cornstarch and water, then pour in your slurry and browning and mix well. Continue to cook until your gravy has thickened and then it is ready to serve. These beef tips are tender and delicious, and I really hope you give them a try. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.
To grasp how to make great food with steps made